Do you want to edit music video first? Let me tell you this: AutoEdit. AutoEdit is the plugin which will help you to edit music video first without wasting your time. Arranging your music video, just cutting something like that, adding some transition, VFX. Before we jump on this video tutorial, let me show you the final video of AutoEdit project. That was it. The music video was too fast. You see some transition, VFX, some other effects, something like that. If you want to get this AutoEdit plugin, you can check it, the link in the description down below. When you get it, after getting purchased, and then we're gonna jump in Premiere Pro and let's see how it is. Let's go. So when you get this AutoEdit plugin, guys, you will get the zip file which is called AutoEdit, the AI music video editor. Okay, so and you will get, like, when you press on it, you will get two folder which is called window edit by just this guy 11%. Okay, and then this WXP AutoEdit by 11%. Okay, first folder, yes, you will see this AutoEdit extension. Okay, it is the application. And then when you come back for this WXP AutoEdit by 11%, you will get this stuff. Okay, but this folder is for someone who is using the MacBook. Okay, and then for the guys who is using Windows, yes, you can just open up this AutoEdit extension and then you just install as normal. Okay, when you're done, guys, for installing, okay, and then you come here in Adobe Premiere Pro, depend what the kind of the version you are using, and then you go here on this window, go here on this extension, and then you press here for this AutoEdit. Now this AutoEdit plugin, it will be installed in your Premiere Pro, any version. Okay, so now you will see this window which looks like this. Okay, here, guys, how this AutoEdit it works. First, when you're going to edit the music video, first you have the music audio, okay, and then the performance shots. Okay, the things you have to do, you just go here, and in my folder, guys, I have like the music audio. Okay, is this one, and then this is the performance shots. So the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to import the music video, yes, in MP3. Okay, I have to press on it. Okay, and let me just go to import my audio. Yes, it is this one which is called Echo9, yes, to sample. All right, okay, and I'm going to import the shots. Okay, yes, this is my shots. I have to select it all. Okay, it depends why the kind of the shot, how many shots you have. Okay, maybe you can have like 5 or 10, 20. Okay, depend how many, yes, and how long your shot you have. Okay, if you have more shot, yes, it can take like a time, yes, just for edit. Okay, if you have the few shots, okay, it can edit fast as possible. So now press OK. Now, guys, you see here on the MP3 I have the Echo9 to sample MP3, and here for this performance shot I have 7 file chosen, and then after that you have to click here on the continue. Okay, guys, now you have to wait just a few little bit. You see, guys, the clip is already imported on the Premiere Pro, guys. So, guys, now this AutoEdit, it tells you, okay, you're gonna select the all layers. Okay, or you can use, for the guy who is using MacBook, Command+A. For the guy who is using Windows, yes, you click Control+A, and then right click on it. I'm gonna make the synchronize. Okay, and then you set OK. So the things I have to do, I have to select it all, yes, Control+A, and then you right click and then go here on synchronize. Okay, now, guys, I'm using, yes, this AutoEdit is guiding me how I do these things. Okay, and then you select the audio option, mix down. Okay, this is audio is already selected, and then this mix down is also selected, and then the fourth one, it tells you, then you select OK, and then I'm going to press OK, and then I have to wait like a few time, and I will see what's the next.
So guys, as you see, after making the synchronization, now you see guys, it is already synchronized. And then you click here on next, and then guys, you see this auto edit is detecting, yes, beat per what, yeah, WPM. Okay, so be patient if it is the first time. Guys, you see guys, what you get here for these edit types. Okay, here there is three kind of edit types. Okay, there is stairs, manual, and random. Okay, about these three kinds of edit, here there is stairs. Okay, when you choose the stairs, it will, yes, goes like stairs. Okay, your clips. And if you choose like manually, now you see guys, it will edit like manual as you see here. And if you choose randomly, you see guys how this randomly will be. Okay guys, I like to use this randomly. Okay, so I have to choose this randomly. Okay, and then for this edit speed, guys, depend what the kind of your music audio, how it is going. It is, if it is going first, you can just choose first. If it is going slow, you can choose slow. Okay, here guys, my music video, it is going first. That reason why I have to choose first. Okay, and then for these edit types, I have to choose collapse. Okay, when it is already just cutted automatically, it will be collapse on one track. Okay, you will see. And then after this, for this start time, it is, yes, 000. Okay, something like this. About this edit speed, guys, when you go here, you see guys, first you see how your clip it is first. Okay, about the chill, yes, for chill, yes, it is between slow and first. Okay, and then this calm, now it is the slow one. Okay, for slow song. Okay, and then after this, after choosing your edit type, edit speed, and start time, and then have to click here on this proceed for random edit. Guys, for you see here guys, now it is already starting by auto editing. Okay, so guys, and I have to wait, so now I'm gonna sit, just drink my coffee, just waiting like a few times. Okay, I told you it depend how long your clip or how long your music video, if it has like 5 minutes, yes, it can took like time, or cause my music video it has 2 minutes. Okay, now you see guys, it is editing too fast, so I have to wait like a few time. Okay, now you see the auto edit, it is editing, it is half. Now for me guys, I'm just sitting, just waiting. Okay, so first step, it just cut all the clips together. Okay, so and then I have to wait, and then when it's done, it will be starting just removing some clips, and then something like that. You know how we edit. Okay, so guys, for the second method, now you see guys, it is already start just cutting, removing some things. Okay, you see now guys, it is starting to remove some things like this. Wow, this looks nice, this is great, man. Okay, so I'm still sitting guys, I'm not doing anything, so I'm just waiting for this auto edit. Now my music video is gonna be done in a few times. Okay, so guys, now this auto edit is already done for cutting the music video. So now the third method, now you see guys how it is doing the collapse. Now it just put all the clips on the same track of this timeline. Okay, if you just want, yes, you can enable this collapse, or if you don't want, you can not enable this collapse. Yes, it depends how you want. Okay guys, this is nice. Okay guys, after this, now you see the editing is done. So now the things I'm going to do, I'm going to check Wow, this is crazy, man. Now you see, guys, the music video is going with the original audio. Okay, so now you have to check it out. All the clips is going well with this audio, guys. I can't believe this, man. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now the things I'm going to do here, there is some VFX which I'm going to add. Okay, there is manual, or there is an AI, just transition, VFX, something like that. You can use any kinds of effect you want. For example, guys, let me starting by using this manual effect. Okay, and let me see how it is. And here, guys, for this manual VFX, we have like 3D object and the camera shakes, the chroma, CRST, film borders, for example, something like that. Okay, first let me add, for example, this effect, and let's see how it is. Okay, I have to move this blue line here on each clips you want. Okay, let me hold shift and you press between those two clips. Okay, guys, you see I select these clips. Okay, and I can click here on insert at the playhead. Okay, now you see how it is automatically. You see this film burn overlay directory, okay, on this timeline. Now when you play, you see what you get. This is nice. Okay, here about this manual, and let me, for example, let me add another things. Okay, here there is so many effects you can add. Okay, for example, let's add this, the green screen, okay, effect here, guys. I can also add, choose these clips. Okay, let me click here, insert playhead. Okay, now you see, guys, directory, you see how and then I can just cut by here. Okay, let me just delete this stuff, and then when you receive this effect which has like green, okay, background, you know what you did, you know what you have to do. Okay, just go in effect, and then you search the effect called ultra key, just you drag it here, and then you remove this green screen, something like this. And then, guys, when you play, so also you can, when you see this effect it is too slow, just you know what to do, just right click on it and then go on speed duration, and it has like 4 seconds. Maybe let me just add like 400, okay, for speed, something like this. And then when I play, this is nice. Okay, guys, for this manual VFX, or for this manual effect transition, guys, you can use any transition you want. And then about for this 3D, it has more, like just more balloon, okay, some calls, yes, monies and other signs like money, some things like that. Okay, the plan is something like that. It has more effect. Okay, so now, and let me just go here on this AI. Okay, this AI effect, for example, I just want to use like just film burns or lighter streets. Okay, for example, let me choose these light strikers. Okay, and about here I can just choose like a 10. Let me choose like a 10. Okay, and then after choosing a 10, let me just move this blue line here, and I'm going to see how these light strikers is gonna add to my clips. Okay, and then I have to click here on this add VFX, so I had to wait like a few seconds. Now you see, working on it, please wait. Okay, now you see, guys, how something is adding on it. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy, man. Okay, there is some strikers on it. Okay, so for example, let me add like paint. Okay, something like this. Okay, let me add just like this. Okay, let me just wait. You see guys, the also trackers is already added automatically. Okay, so when you play, you see there is some trackers on it. Guys, I think you see there is some more effect on it. Okay, you can add any effect you want here, cause there is some more. There's YC2K, just slow shutter, CLIST, 3D object. Okay, for example, let me just add like a 3D object. Let me see how it is. Okay, for example, let me start it by here. About this 3D object, let me just go here, and then I have to choose like, let me just choose like 5 or 6. Okay, let me just add, and they have to wait just a few little bit. All right.
Besto ninga katpi akunda to ninga vesti dagasani ndagusabye umindura umusani si bimwe by'abastoke ndakora kugira mbone do nakati akanika kijipo akunda to ninga vesti dagasani ndagusabye umindura umusani si bimwe by'abastoke.
Guys, now you see here there is some so guys, here there is, as I told you, here there is so many effects you can add on your music video, and even for this text there is some more text you can add. You just choose any, like I can call it like template. You can choose any template you want, and then you just insert the playhead, and then you just edit. You add your names of the song, just and other things you want. Okay, so now guys, you see guys, I just edited the music video in there's under 20 minutes. Okay guys,
all right guys, this is AutoEdit plugin. Boom, fire. So guys, if you like my video, and I told you if you like this AutoEdit plugin, just you can check it in the link down description below, and then you just get it. Okay, drop in the comment down below, let me know what you think. Like this video and subscribe. See you in next video. Peace.